Let's bake a cake. Okay. Mum, can I bake a cake? So it is 9:30 p.m. and Mum made the wonderful mistake of letting me bake a cake. So I got my ingredients on here. I have to get my ingredients. Butter. Caster sugar. 2 eggs.
Yes. What?
Okay, so first thing you have to do is... Do we have an electric mixer?
How can she not know that we have an electric mixer?
I don't live here. Using an electric mixer, beat butter and sugar until light and fluffy, and eggs one at a time, beating after each addition. Okay. I'm gonna big boy bowl. Wait, this video is a mess already. What the frick? Sorry, what? Huh? Ah, got him. Butter. Butter. Sugar. How much? Oh, I forgot to preheat the oven. I really meant to grease this first. What happens if we don't grease it? Wait. Can we just talk about how I look like Squidward in this clip? Like, what, how? I think that's what you meant to do. Anyway, this is 1/4 of a cup, so I'm going to just use 3 of these because you need 3/4 of a cup. And this is 20 grams. And you need 125 grams of butter. So I guess if you do around 6, it'll be like 110 grams. I don't know if my maths is correct, but we'll see. To be honest, my food teacher would be yelling at me like this about this right now because you're meant to level it, but like I don't really care that much. May I remind you, it is 9:40 at night. I'm making a freaking cake. Now, for the butter. Uh-oh. This isn't gonna end well. Oh, I thought you have to soften the butter. Oh. So we've run out of butter. What happens if we don't put in enough butter? Does anything happen? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here we go, boys. I don't really know how to use this. That's scary, and I don't think that's what you meant to do. Okay, well it says to add everything individually. This is my version of whisking an egg. I don't want to do that. I don't see why you have to, so I'm going to add everything in together and hope that turns out fine. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. Come for me. watch my cake turn out better than yours ever would. You know what I'm saying? I should stir this together. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's meant to look like that or not, but that's what it looks like right now. So then I'm just gonna have the rest in, even though you're not meant to. We'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna add, let's add, you're meant to add 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. That's a quarter. Half, or just 4 more. Half a cup of, oh wait, maybe we should do the coconut. Only a quarter of a cup. Oh, my back hurts from cooking. How? Hey Winter, come look at my cake.
Is it vegan?
No. Do you think I considered you?
Oh, that looks disgusting.
You look disgusting.
That looks disgusting.
What do you have to, can't you make it vegan? No.
Oh, it's a bit late now.
Just now.
Can I make some vegan?
No, I already put butter in it.
Yes. But you...
You know it's like 10 p.m.
Yeah, I know.
You're doing your watercolors before you do bake a cake. I don't think that's meant to happen.
No, wait, I know, I'm a food expert.
Just like a flour went everywhere.
Why can't you just mix it properly?
Like what? How?
With a wooden spoon.
Because then it won't be nice and smooth. Yeah, I know. Well, there's none on the floor.
Okay, wait, do it.
No, I don't want to get flour. I use this.
No, you can use a whisk.
Well, a bit late now. It's too powdery. It asked for too much. Oh no, it's actually pretty good right now. I want them to be able to see what's happening right here. Oh, there we go. Why'd you hit the spoon? Why'd you beat the devil out of it?
What do you do?
Are you waking it up?
Yeah, from Ross.
I want to use this. The electric mix. Oh, that tastes good though. Oh, I just got some good butter.
Tastes like salmon.
Oh, look at it. This is so much better. This is what my cake looks like. I think it looks pretty good if you ask me. Like, I may have struggled with it a bit, but it's turning out okay. Okay, so now we're going to put it into the pan and bake for an hour. This is hurting my hand a little bit. Oh, that one in the pan, didn't it? Let me show you what's happening. Look at this. Like, it's just everywhere. And I kind of don't know what to do about it. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna leave it and put it in the oven and just hope for the best. Like, if it turns out bad, who cares? I need help. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven for an hour. Well, I haven't set the house on fire yet, so that's a good thing. It looks messed up. Oh yeah, it's very bouncy. This is what my cake looks like. Oh, I nearly dropped it. A little messed up, but that's okay. That was hot. Okay. It tastes like pure self-raising flour.
Yeah, that's right.
It tastes like pure flour.
Hmm.
Don't you think?
It's cooked though.
Okay.
Iffy?
Yeah, it's cooked, but it doesn't taste like good cake. Okay, so cake review. The final product isn't too flash. The taste could be better. So, all in all, kind of failed. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed.